our maths class. Previous class we discussed about the distance formula, that is distance between 2 points. AB is the point, x1 y1 is the coordinate of A, B x2 y2. Then distance AB, distance between the point A and B is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is known as the distance formula. Now we are discussing that another one, that is section formula. What is the difference between distance formula and section formula you want to look? Just look. A and B are the 2 points. A's coordinates are x1, y1. B is equal to x2, y2. In the distance formula, we have knows A x1, y1, B x2, y2 only. Then we want to find the distance AB using x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But here one more point is given here. On the point AB, one more point is that P, x comma y are the coordinate of P. P x comma y dividing this AB, and some ratio also given. M1 is the ratio AP is to BP. AP, P is the point, AP is to BP is given. M1 is to M2. These two are divided in the ratio M1 M2. Understand that? AB is a A x1 y1, B x2 y2. P is a point on that line, and ratio also given in which this P divide the line segment. Then coordinates of the point P x y. This point, this coordinates you want to P. Points, coordinates you want to find out P x y. That means x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. You want to find the coordinates of P, that is x coordinate will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Y coordinates of the point P is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This formula is known as the section formula. When we are using section formula, 2 points are given A and B. In between another point, not given the middle, in between one point is the P. Its coordinates are x comma y, and that P divides the given AB line segment in the ratio m1 and m2. The coordinates of the point x, P x comma y, coordinates of the point x is equal, coordinates of the point P, x coordinate of the point P is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Coordinates of y coordinate of the point P is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This formula is known as the section formula. Next one is, if the ratio in which P divides AB is k is to 1. Here we are finding the coordinates of middle point, coordinates of the point P, that is x and y we are finding. Sometimes they will ask this coordinates given, but you want to find the ratio, in which ratio it is dividing. For finding the ratio, we are using this formula. We are supposing that we are dividing the ratio is k is to 1, and then the coordinates of the point P is k x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, k y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. This formula we are using for finding the ratio. That means x1, y1, x2, y2 is given, and x comma y, x and y, p is coordinates also given, and you want to find this ratio m1 and m2. That time we will use this formula. Kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Suppose that next one is the coordinates of the midpoint P. Suppose that this point P is the midpoint of AB. Then what will happen? M1 will be equal to M2. That ratio will be same. Then in that, here we are putting 1, here also 1, here M1 plus M2, that you will get 2. Then our formula becomes x1 plus x2. Here we are starting with x2, but for reading easily, we are x1 first writing, x1 plus x2 by y2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, because it is a midpoint, means AP is equal to BP, so that its ratio we can equal. So we can take that as 1. So we will get, if P is the midpoint, no need of taking M1, M2 values, we can direct substitute this. x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. We can do one question. We can discuss one question. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. This is the question. Line segment. Then this is a one line segment. A is the point. You already know that x1, y1 is 4, minus 3. 4 minus 3. This will be x1, y1. Next, B is the point. That is equal to 8, 5. This will be x2, y2. And line segment joining. The one point P is there. It dividing the line segment in the ratio 3 and 1. So M1 is equal to 3 and M2 is equal to 1. This is our question. In this type of question, if you are drawing this diagram or line segment, it will be easy for you. So x1, y1 is 4 minus 3, x2, y2 is 8, 5, m1, m2 is 3 and 1, 3:1. You want to find the coordinates of P. X coordinate you already knows that x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. What are the values? m1 you knows that 3 into x2 means 8 plus m2 x1. m2 is 1, x1 is 4 divided by 3 plus 1, that's equal to 4. Then 3 into 8, 24 plus 4. 24 plus 4, that is 28 divided by 4, that is equal to 7. X coordinate of P, you got 7. Next we want to find the Y coordinate. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 you already knows that 3. That is m1 is 3. 3 into y2, that is equal to 5 plus m2 is 1. 1 into minus 3 divided by 4. Then 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 means 12. 12 divided by 4. 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. So P's coordinates are 7, 3 are the coordinates of P. Is it okay now? Next question. In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points? The line segment joining the points A. A is the point minus 6, 10. B is the point 3, minus 8. If you want, you can mark this as x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. Then P is the, in what ratio does the point P? This is the point P, that is, we already know that x, y, that is given minus 4, 6. You want to find out this ratio. Then we are taking m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2. That we can take as m1 by m2 is to 1. Because we are taking this m2. m2 by m2 we will get 1. So m1 by m2 we are taking as k. k is to 1. So we are taking this as the ratio k. This will be the 1. Using the k is to 1, we know that one formula, that is coordinates of the point, x coordinates of the point P, that is x is equal to k x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1. Then k into x2 means how much? 3. k into 3 plus x1 means minus 6 divided by k plus 1. What is the x coordinate given? Minus 4. Then minus 4 into k plus 1 is equal to 3k minus 6. Minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 3k minus 6. That is minus 4k minus 3k is equal to minus 6 plus 4. That is minus 7k is equal to minus 2. k is equal to minus 2 by minus 7, that is equal to 2 by 7, that is 2 is to 7. 2 is to 7. That is, we already taken k means m1 by m2. So 2 by 7 you got. So 2 is to 7 will be the value of the ratios. m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to 7. Now we used the x coordinates of p only. If you are using y coordinate, then also you will get the same. One way only you want to do. Now I will show that how you will get. Next will be 6 will be the y coordinate. Then what will be the formula? Y is equal to ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. Y is equal to 6. Then 6 is equal to k into y2 means how much? Minus 8. K into minus 8 plus y1 means 10. 10 divided by k plus 1. Then 6 into k plus 1 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. Then 6k plus 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. Then 6k plus 8k is equal to 10 minus 6. Then 14k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 14. We can make it small. That is equal to 2 by 7. So the ratio is equal to 2 is to 7. Both way we got the same answer. We can use only one formula. X, otherwise y we can use. This way we can find out the ratio. Next question. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. These are the line segment joining. Thus will be the point x1, y1. Thus will be the point x2, y2. It is divided. Find the ratio in which y-axis means the coordinates of the y-axis will be x will be 0. Thus will be 0, comma y. Y-axis means in the x-axis y point will be 0. On the y-axis, so the coordinates of the y-axis will be x will be 0, 0, comma y. Find the ratio in which the y-axis is divided. So in the a and b, you already know that a 5, comma minus x. B will be the point minus 1, minus 4. This will be x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. Here this in P point means this is dividing by the y-axis. So this P coordinate are the 0, comma y. It is dividing by the y-axis. So its coordinates are 0, comma y. And you want to find the ratio in which ratio you want to find out. Then you already know that the coordinate of x coordinate will be x is equal to k x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1. Then x coordinate. Then we can write together y coordinate of p, that is equal to k y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Then we can substitute the values. K into x2 means what is the value here? This will be x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. So x2 means minus 1. K into minus 1. x1 means 5 plus 5 divided by k plus 1. Here k into y2 means minus 4 plus minus 6 divided by k plus 1. Here minus k plus 5 divided by k plus 1. Here minus 4k minus 6 divided by k plus 1. These are the coordinates of x and y. That we already know that it is y-axis. So this will be 0, comma y. X coordinate is minus k plus 5 divided by k plus 1. Y is equal to. By looking this, you can understand that If you are using this y coordinate, you will not get the value of k because here y itself we are writing. If x, here the x coordinate is 0, so we can utilize this one, then we can find the value of k. Then minus k plus 5 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then if you are multiplying, this will become 0. 0 minus k is equal to minus 5. So k is equal to 5, or m1 by k is equal to means m1 by m2 is equal to, so k value is 5 you got. That what is that? Ratio we got 5. Then you want to find the point of intersection. Then these are the pxy. Thus are the point of intersection. You substitute the value 5 there. Then first will be 5 if you are giving minus 5 plus 5 divided by k plus, this will become 0. Thus will be 5 into minus 4 plus minus 6 divided by 5 plus 1. That is minus 20 divided by 6. That is minus 26 by 6. If you want, you can make small. Then the point of intersection are 0, minus 13 by 3. 13 by 3. Thus will be the coordinates of the point of intersection. Okay children, we can meet on the next class. Thank you.